Hello everyone, I am Pawandeep Singh and I work at Brock University in Ontario, Canada as a relationship manager for India and South Asian market. Brock University is the only institution in Canada to be designated as a UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve. In addition, Maclean's ranked us again first in Ontario for student satisfaction and first in Canada for mental health services in 2022. I am very much excited to be a part of the upcoming Canada admissions and workshop organized by Canam Consultant. Canam Group is our prestigious and respected partner in India for recruiting students, and they are extremely professional and supportive to the aspirants planning to study in Canada. So if you are interested in learning more about the programs, scholarships, credit transfer and co-op programs available at Brock University, I would prefer you to meet me in person at the events in the hotel. In case you are unable to visit in person, you could connect with me in the virtual format at room number 2 from 7th to 18th September on a date and time slot convenient to you. So hurry up and register now so you won't miss out the opportunity to connect with me. See you there. Thank you so much.